A new way to mine. Introducing PiNetwork. PiNetwork is a new approach to cryptocurrency. Currencies like Bitcoin, which require expensive hardware and consume vast amounts of electricity, PiNetwork aims to democratize the mining process. It aims to make mining accessible to everyone. Whether or someone who's just getting started with cryptocurrencies, PiNetwork offers an easy and user-friendly way to mine digital currency. Traditional crypto mining uses a lot of energy. The process involves solving complex mathematical problems which requires powerful computers running continuously. This not only leads to high electricity bills but also has a significant environmental impact. PiNetwork allows users to mine on their phones. By leveraging the power of mobile technology, PiNetwork eliminates the need for specialized hardware. There's energy consumption. This makes it more environmentally friendly. Instead of relying on energy-intensive processes, PiNetwork's mobile-based mining is designed to be sustainable and eco-conscious. PiNetwork wants to create a world where everyone can participate in the digital economy. By making cryptocurrency mining, it aims to bridge the gap between the tech-savvy and the everyday user. PiNetwork uses a simple app. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that anyone can start mining with just a few to mine PiCoin. The process is straightforward and doesn't require any technical knowledge or expertise. Users just need to open the app daily. Once the app is open, they can start the mining app. They then tap a button to confirm they are not a bot. This simple verification step ensures that real people, not automated systems, are mining Pi. This process is called mining. Requires solving complex algorithms. PiNetwork's approach is based on trust and engagement. It helps to secure the PiNetwork. By participating in the mining process, users contribute to the security and stability. The network has gained significant popularity. Since its launch, it has attracted a large and diverse user base, all eager to be part of this innovative project. It boasts millions of users worldwide. And its commitment to inclusivity, PiNetwork is poised to make a significant impact on the world of cryptocurrency. PiNetwork has seen steady growth over the past few years, capturing the interest of a diverse and global audience. This growth is not just a testament to the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, but also to the unique approach PiNetwork has taken in making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. It has attracted millions of users globally, spanning across different continents and cultures. This widespread adoption is a clear indicator of the network's potential to revolutionize the way we think about digital currency. This is partly due to its mobile-first approach, which allows users to mine and manage their Pi coins directly from their smartphones. This ease of access has lowered the barrier to entry, enabling more people to participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The network has been in development since 2019. Over these years, the team has been diligently working on refining the technology, ensuring that it is robust and scalable to meet the demands of a growing user base. It is now preparing for a major milestone that will mark a new chapter in its journey. This milestone is eagerly anticipated by the community as it promises to bring new opportunities and functionalities. This milestone is the launch of its Mainnet. The Mainnet launch is a critical step in the evolution of the PiNetwork, transitioning it from a test phase to a fully operational blockchain. The Mainnet launch is a significant step that will enable the network to operate independently and securely. It represents the culmination of years of hard work and dedication by the PiNetwork team. It will mark the transition from a test network, where functionalities and features were being tested and refined, to a mainnet, where real transactions and applications can take place. The PiNetwork will then become a fully operational blockchain, capable of supporting a wide range of applications and services. This will open up new possibilities for users and developers alike. This will allow users to use PiCoin for transactions, making it a practical and functional digital currency. Users will be able to make payments, transfer funds, and engage in various financial activities seamlessly. They will also be able to use it for other applications, such as decentralized apps and services that can leverage the PiNetwork's blockchain technology. This versatility will make PiCoin a valuable asset in the digital economy. The PiNetwork team is working hard to ensure that the mainnet launch is successful. They are focused on addressing any potential issues and optimizing the network's performance. They want to ensure a smooth and successful launch, paving the way for a new era of digital currency and blockchain technology. The future looks promising for PiNetwork and its growing community. PiCoin is the cryptocurrency of the PiNetwork. It has shown potential for growth. The crypto market is volatile. However, PiCoin has maintained a relatively stable value. This is despite not being listed on major exchanges. The Mainnet launch is expected to impact PiCoin's value. Many factors suggest PiCoin has a bright future. Its large and active user base is positive. The low barrier to entry is also attracting new users. The upcoming Mainnet launch is generating excitement. These factors indicate PiCoin has the potential for significant growth. The Mainnet launch is the most anticipated event for PiNetwork. This event has been eagerly awaited by the community, marking a significant milestone in the project's journey. The excitement is palpable as the countdown timer ticks away, bringing us closer to a new era for PiNetwork. It will mark a turning point. This launch signifies not just a technical achievement, but a new phase of growth and development. For many, it represents the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. It will make PiNetwork a fully functional blockchain. This means that the network will be able to support a wide range of decentralized applications and services, providing a robust platform for innovation and development. This will open up new possibilities for PiCoin. With the Mainnet launch, PiCoin will transition from a testnet token to a fully operational cryptocurrency, ready to be used in various real-world applications. The team is working on several key features. These features are designed to enhance the functionality and usability of the PiNetwork, making it more attractive to developers and users alike. These include a decentralized application ecosystem. This ecosystem will allow developers to create and deploy their own applications on the PiNetwork, fostering a vibrant and diverse community of innovators. They are also working on a governance model. This model will ensure that the network remains decentralized and community-driven, with decisions being made by the users for the benefit of the entire ecosystem. Partnerships will be crucial for PiNetwork's success. By collaborating with other businesses and organizations, PiNetwork can expand its reach and utility, making it more valuable to its users. The team is actively seeking collaborations. These partnerships are essential for integrating PiCoin into various industries and applications, from finance to retail and beyond. These collaborations are with businesses and organizations. By working together, they can create new opportunities for growth and innovation, leveraging the strengths of each partner to achieve common goals. They want to expand PiNetwork's utility. The goal is to make PiCoin a widely accepted and used cryptocurrency, enabling seamless transactions and interactions across various platforms and services. These partnerships will allow PiCoin to be used for real-world transactions. Imagine being able to use PiCoin to buy goods and services, both online and in physical stores, making it a truly versatile and valuable asset. This will increase its value and adoption. As more people and businesses start using PiCoin, its value is likely to rise, benefiting everyone involved in the PiNetwork community. Section 5. What the experts say. Analyst predictions on PiCoin. Cryptocurrency analysts are watching PiCoin closely. Many are optimistic about its future. They point to its large user base as a major strength. The upcoming Mainnet launch is also a source of excitement. Some analysts predict PiCoin could see significant price appreciation. However, it's important to note that the crypto market is unpredictable. Analyst predictions should be treated with caution. It's essential to conduct thorough research. Investors should also consider their own risk tolerance. Section 6. PiCoin versus the rest. Comparing cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is crowded. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available. PiCoin differentiates itself from others. It has a unique approach to mining. It also has a strong focus on community building. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, PiCoin is not yet traded on major exchanges. This makes it difficult to compare its market performance directly. However, PiNetwork's growing user base is attracting attention. Section 7. Challenges and risks. Navigating the crypto landscape. PiNetwork faces challenges and risks. It is still in its early stages of development. The crypto market is highly volatile and subject to regulation. PiNetwork needs to address several key challenges. It must ensure the security and scalability of its blockchain. It needs to gain regulatory approval in different countries. PiNetwork also needs to build trust with users. It's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. The value of Pi coin could fluctuate. Investors could lose money. Section 8, Reading the Charts, Technical Analysis of Pi coin. Technical analysis is a method used to predict price movements. It looks at historical price data and trading volume. However, it is important to note that technical analysis is not an exact science. It should not be the sole basis for investment decisions. Currently, Pi coin is not listed on major exchanges. Therefore, traditional technical analysis tools have limited use. It is important to wait for Pi coin to be listed, then more reliable technical analysis can be conducted. Section 9. A Promising Future, Conclusion and Investor Advice. PiNetwork has generated significant interest. Its unique approach to mining and community focus is appealing. The upcoming Mainnet launch is a major milestone. It could potentially drive the value of Pi coin higher. However, it is important to remember that the crypto market is risky. Investors should be cautious. Conduct thorough research before investing in Pi coin. Consider the potential risks and rewards. The future of PiNetwork remains uncertain. However, it is an interesting project with considerable potential.